My name is Meno Kalisher. I'm serving as the pastor of Jerusalem Assembly, House of Redemption. Actually, we are filming this promo on the roof of the church building. And this is our view. You can see west of Jerusalem. But the major issue is this one, the Mount of Olives. This is the place where Christ is going to return physically to the land of Israel to start his millennial kingdom. This coming October, in the conference of Chamada, we are going to study about Jesus' return to earth, Maranatha. And my part will be teaching a few of the parables. The faithful servant who knows to be prepared to see his Lord. And about the 10 virgins, 5 silly, foolish, 5 wise. And of course, what is the effect of Jesus' return upon the people of Israel? What does that mean to us? How that is going to change the people? How that is going to change the land? Oh, there are so many things to study. But if you will come to this conference, we are going to deal verse by verse, and guaranteed by God's grace, you are going to understand it. More than that, during the fellowship time, we can drink coffee together. We can speak about many other issues. So remember, there is the conference and the topic, and there is million other issues I'm eager to share, to learn, and to teach. Let's meet together in October in the conference, Maranatha. God bless you.